I can see hills touch the sky, heaven and earth, you and I know we will always be. Here in the silence we lie, shadows we cast, you and I speak for eternity. Pressed between pages, flowers will die, stories mend as time passes by. You and I will always be. With every word that I hear, whenever whispers are near, I can't believe in fate. Promises made, only one. Yesterday fades from the sun and falls to a new embrace. Tears overflow as rivers run dry. Here in a moment of time passing by, you and I will always be. For always. Pressed between pages, flowers will die, stories mend as time passes by. You and I will always be. Will always be.
We both acknowledge why we came here for. We take each other and walk through the open door. From the first time that I saw you to the way you look tonight, I was shaken by your spirit, I was blinded by your light. And the world that I used to see is gone without a trace, replaced by your eyes and the smile upon your face. And I will not turn away, 'cause you might disappear. I was haunted by your heart, and I felt that you were here. And funny, when the time is right, when lightning strikes, you're not alone. Baby, I will sowing of the seed. I will take tomorrow, I will lay it at your feet, and the two of us escape from the sadness of the world, from the thunder and the darkness, from the hunger and the hurt. You know I will remember when the mission